Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6. They both have a heavily skinned version of Android, but which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on Android 8.1 Oreo, it has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 7 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Mi 8 Pro wins by 3 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by a massive 7 points. However, in round 2, the Mi 8 Pro won, and that was by 3 points. As for the price difference, the Mi 8 Pro actually cost half the price of the Mate 20 Pro. As for which phone is better, that is the Mate 20 Pro. It has a better camera, a bigger battery, a better screen. It's got other features like wireless reverse charging, and the list goes on. But for the price of the Mate 20 Pro, you can buy 2 Mi 8 Pros. So what were your thoughts on this speed test comparison? Do you own either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.